And here we go from another angle, this time from the garage. Snow all the way up to the door. I'd say that's probably, well, it's well over a foot, not quite 2 feet. So I would say probably about 10 inches. Give a perspective here from the sides. And there. And that's the drive between the garage and the SUV. And the SUV. And the car. Yeah, there's a car under there somewhere. All in all, this is supposed to be about 12 inches or so. It's still going pretty hard. It's been going for about the last 14 hours, I'd say. And probably another 12 hours to go. All said and done, it's supposed to get anywhere from 12 to 15 inches. It's perspective of the sky, the treetops, tree line. So yeah, I'd say definitely a white Christmas. Well, definitely a white Hanukkah. And probably almost certainly going to be a very white Christmas. Now I just got to figure out how in the next couple of days to get myself out of here. You know, without having a heart attack. Should be fun.